The clock in the garden. Emma is 11 years old. She lives in a small village with her grandpa. For her birthday, Grandpa gives her something strange, an old clock. It does not tick. It does not move. It is big, round, and made of wood. Emma frowns. It's broken. Grandpa smiles. It's not a clock to tell time. It's a clock to teach time. Emma is confused. How can time teach me something? Grandpa says, you will see. Grandpa places the clock in the garden. Every day, go sit next to it, he says. Just 5 minutes. That's all. Emma thinks it's silly. But she does it. On day 1, she sits. She looks at the flowers. On day 2, she watches a butterfly. On day 3, she hears the birds sing. Day after day, the garden feels different. Slower. Calmer. Brighter. After 1 week, Emma says, Grandpa, nothing is happening. The clock is still broken. Grandpa nods. But what about you? Emma thinks. I feel more quiet. More peaceful. He smiles. That's how time works. It changes things. Not fast, but deep. At school, Emma feels small. Other students are fast. Fast readers. Fast runners. Emma is not fast. She needs time. One day, a boy says, you are too slow. Emma feels hurt. She looks down. But then, she thinks of the clock. She tells herself, I'm not slow. I grow in my own time. Weeks pass. One morning, Emma sees a small plant growing near the clock. A tiny green tree. She smiles. I didn't even see it grow. Grandpa says, time is like that. You don't always see it work, but it always does. Emma starts to change. She doesn't rush her homework. She doesn't worry when others finish first. She doesn't quit when things take time. She tells her friend, be like a tree. Grow slowly. Grow strong. Her friend nods, that's beautiful. One day, after months, Emma sits in the garden. It's quiet. Wind moves the leaves. Birds sing. Then, tick. Emma's eyes open wide. The clock ticks once. Just once. She runs to Grandpa. It ticked. He smiles. You've learned what it wanted to teach you. What? She asks. That time is not a race. It is a gift. A teacher. A friend. Emma grows older. She studies, she learns, she writes. She is never the fastest. But she never stops. One day, she becomes a writer. Her first book is called The Clock in the Garden. She writes on the first page. For everyone who feels slow. You are growing. Trust time.